What happens when a bunch of Gen Z vocalists from different genres meet?
Somebody could get anything, how you feel, girl. I'm lost in the moment you did. So bad. You don't have to be afraid to put your dreams in action. You're never gonna get anybody's fascination. Just listen, nothing ever been when it comes around. And you know that if you live in your imagination.
Every big thing today started from somewhere. And there is no success story without those little beginnings. What matters is how willing we are to keep watching what we've planted till it gets to where we want it to be.
By the time that you're in my body, never thought you'd get it. You think you broke my heart, hey, you think I'm crying on my own. And I really wanna write a song, 'cause I really want anyone thinking I still got no problem. You still hit my phone.
Baby, I've been moving on. I think you show me something I don't wanna hold back. Baby, you should know it. I don't like you, she likes everyone. And I never lied to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like
You're doing your vlog.
These look so amazing.
Are you ready? We didn't get it. This one's from 4 o'clock. We don't accept that.
Come on, keep ready.
It's sunsets.
Mama tell you. She be for me, drum me, for me, Jesse, for me, look at. She for me, Timmy, for me, Blackbird, for me, Gaga. For me, Simi, for beats, for me, Kali. Follow it, on mama, tell my mama, told me.
until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, call me closer. It's been a hell of a ride.
So after so many Thursday and Friday weekly session, we decided to switch things up a little bit.
Yeah, we're talking about to find a name for this group. Are we going to go with Music Hub or are we going with another name? Like me, I just think that this Music Hub is just plain. Like doesn't even like it's not that catchy.
Just when we thought it was almost over, we realized we still did not have enough to pay for the apartment. Not to talk of getting refreshment.
I'm just gonna say this little thing, yeah. I feel like those people that are not coming, I don't know how you will like doing, but drop the list inside. Support those way they come. I mean, if you ain't got it's okay, sure, but like 1K will go a long way.
Because we're all students, and most of us still get money from our parents to survive. Some of us are still hustling themselves to add from the ones our parents are giving to us. Some don't even have who we send to them, and they are hosting. So, if I get money, I will not be. I will not even be stressing myself with you. Plenty things. Everybody's struggling with one thing or another. So nobody's going to pressure you. If you do not have, just say you don't have heat. There's no problem.
I know get though. It should not be hard to say. We're not living a life to impress anybody, right? But in the case where you do not have, you should not feel stressed to say, okay, I know get though. Hopefully I would get and then I'll pay up tomorrow. She gets. I don't think we should start creating pressure for ourselves. It's not. I personally feel like it's not hard to say. I want to get that.
So I guess we have to cancel. Or maybe do it some other time. But wait. Is there any need to be so dramatic?
If Rami wants to cook, no wahala, we'll give her the money to cook. Then everybody, if you want extra something, you can come with your own individual snacks. Snacks, not food.
No. It's really looking like something.
Who is Jackie?
About me.
Justice for Jackie.
They crying to sing this goal. I'm not that in your throat. Oh my goodness. What is this?
He's trying to call me, why they move so funny? Gangsta, honey, oh, I've got life back. I your shoe always shine, but me I could cover you. Over myself, the blood of Jesus. I see a new boy in town. They're trying to call me, why they move so funny? Gangsta, honey, oh, I've got life back. I your shoe always shine, but me I could cover you. Over myself, the blood of Jesus. Name of Jesus I thought. I face my front and lose my eyes. Lose my eyes. I sleep on. I watch my TikTok. I face my front and lose my
Hold on, don't leave me go. Puff, puff, I want. Hold on, don't leave me go. Puff, puff, I want you. Baby, share you did for me.
What is the use of my money? Take it out to the you say, baby, I got me all your titty to touch my belly. No. Baby, come as I am.
I'm here with the one and only Freddie Nova, the superstar, the talk of the town. I heard that you just see 60,000 streams on your phone. No love.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yes, it's
Okay, so Sound Station is packed with the most amazing set of beautiful personality. I don't know if there's a word like that, but like, you get what I mean. You guys basically made my 2023 the new set of friends and family that I made this year. You people added a lot to my life. You people made me do things that I wasn't doing. You people even got me my first viral video. You're like, you get it.
I've learned, I've unlearned, I've grown, I've met a family, I've met people that in my wildest dreams I never believed that I would be in the same crew with them. I've met people that I stalked on TikTok. And then I finally got to meet them in person, and their reception and everything is amazing. Except Carl. And it has been all love, and I'm grateful to be part of this. I can't wait for what we are going to create. I can't wait to see each and every one of us win.
I'm really grateful for this experience, and I'm glad to be a part of this. And to me, this is a dream come true, a total dream come true.
And when the sound goes here, this girl will sing so high, right through my ears, it's nice. It's a Spanish lullaby.
Yeah, I'll be going home. Just take your bag and be going.
Person go just come online, go they see with you and not understand. My innocent name, God I beg you.